This week's suggestion regards the placement of a pop filter to get the most effective results out of it. I have seen a lot of people who put a pop filter very close to the microphone, if not directly on the grill of the microphone, and this yields the pop filter pretty much useless. For example, I have a $100 pop filter directly against the grill of this microphone. It accomplishes nothing. Let me move it back a couple of inches, and you can't hear any of the plosives making it through and hitting the microphone. That's because a lot of pop filters work by either displacement of air, i.e. redirecting the air, or by slowing down the air so it's not as aggressive. Both of those need additional space between the rear of the pop filter and the microphone's capsule to work effectively. So if you have the pop filter directly on the grill of the microphone, don't do that. Move it back an inch or two, maybe 3, and that will help you get much better results.